Electric bike, Sailnovo 350W electric bikes for adults. Teens electric bicycle e-bike with pedals, 14-inch waterproof folding mini bikes with dual disc brakes, 36V10 a lithium-ion battery. Parameters: 350W powerful scooter bikes with built-in 36V6 a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, 5 to 6H charging time, IP54 waterproof rating, top speed of 25 km/h, 15.5 miles per hour, riding range from 40 km 24 miles, pure power mode, to 60 km 37 miles, pedal assistant. The individualized design, with color block looking, sports style, streamlined matte surface, this portable mini city bike is equipped with dual disc brakes, non-slip bump handlebars, LED battery speed indicator, foldable handle head, adjustable SADDLE, 30.7-34.6, 14 anti-shock tires, front lamp and tail lights. The Amazon commuting bikes. This electric bike is great for commuting on flat city roads. Max slope 15 degrees even in light rain days. You can also add a basket to the front or install a kettle holder to carry light things when you are hanging out. Assembled and 3 working modes. 85% pre-assembled bike, no complicated assembly, quicker to enjoy the new ride. Foldable design will make it easier to carry or storing. 3 riding modes supported: pure electric mode, electric assist mode, normal bike mode. EFAST DLIVRY and considerate services. Generally it will take 3 to 7 days to receive the electric bike after you get the tracking ID. Please contact us if there is any problem with the Civic. We will provide 100% satisfaction. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.